Why is no one talking about this? Hello my powerful creators, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here today. If you're new here, my name is Candice, and on this channel we talk about manifestation, the law of assumption, and personal development. And if you would like to become a powerful creator, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Shambala codes. I've just discovered these codes and I'm so excited to share them with my powerful creators. The word Shambala represents the mythical kingdom that Tibetan Buddhism believes symbolizes enlightenment, peace, and perfection. But many places around the world believe they hold Shambala. So I want you to watch this video until the end, because in this video you're going to find out how you can create Shambala in your daily life and live it throughout your entire life. So Shambala is a higher spiritual dimension. It is a place of infinite light and infinite love. The greatest teachers of spirituality and manifestation embody Shambala, and you can too. Soon after using the practices of these golden codes, you will reach higher levels of dimensions. While incorporating energies of love and compassion, you will then begin to guide yourself and those around you on the path of spiritual upliftment, healing, and enlightenment. And how beautiful and exciting is that? But powerful creators, these codes are not for everyone. They are only for the people who want to level up and reach their highest potential. And let's be real, not everybody wants to do that, but I know my powerful creators do. If you want to shift to parallel realities, quantum leap, shift to the multiverse, then keep watching this video to learn how. So what you're going to do is you say Shambala, and then you say the code, and then what it stands for. For example, for divine spirit, you would say Shambala 1, 2, or you can say 12, and then divine spirit. You can say these powerful golden codes as many times as you want, but make sure you really feel it when you're saying them out loud. Powerful creators, here are some other ways you can use Shambala codes. You can not only just say them out loud, but you can also write them down. You can use them with affirmations. For example, you can say Shambala 1, 2, I feel divine spirit all around me. See how I use what the Shambala code stood for and then put it within an affirmation. Feel free to do it that way. You can also meditate on them. If you search Shambala codes on YouTube, you'll find many meditations on these Shambala codes. And if you want me to create my own version for you, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to download my free guide to over 100 of my favorite affirmations at affirmationsmanifestyourdreams.com. You can use those affirmations with these Shambala codes. And the last way is to get creative. You can type them in your phone. You can put them on your vision board. You can even make them the background of your phone. I would suggest doing it this way because if you see it often, this is going to encourage you to really believe it and feel it. So if you see those codes on a daily basis, that is just going to enhance your manifestation skills. Powerful creators, now that you know about Shambala codes, go to my description and find more information about them. Now that we all are so excited about using Shambala codes, let's declare this by writing it in the comments. I am always leveling up. I want to see it in the comments from powerful creators. Comment that below, I am always leveling up. Thank you, powerful creators, for watching today's video. I know these codes will work for you and you will see changes in your life. Let me know how they work for you as well. I would love to hear. And the powerful creator of this video is Catalina C. Catalina C, thank you so much for being a part of the Powerful Creators community. I love and appreciate you so much. If you would like a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification button and comment this secret word below. If you like this video, you'll like my next video on manifestation codes. Go check that video out now. Thank you again, powerful creators, for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Have a beautiful day. Bye.